Now we discuss one more question based on the property. In the previous question we discussed that the power given to you is in the form of fractions. So it may be power in the form of fractions, it may be a very large power. In that case we can apply the property number 4 or property number 5. Mostly this property is used by us. But now see the second variety. It is mod of x plus 2 is given to you. Mod of x plus 2. Limit from -5 to 5. In case of mod, I already tell to you we have to utilize this property. In case of mod, the function is always break in between the limit a to c and c to b. Now how can we simplify and how can we get the result? See this one. First of all, whatever the statement is given to you, that is x plus 2, kept that statement is equals to 0. So you will get here x is equals to minus 2. Now the important thing is, it is not necessary every time he will provide a linear equation to you. Maybe he will provide a quadratic equation to you. Then you go for factorization of quadratic equation by splitting its middle term. After factorization, if you observe, you get the two different value. Out of these two different value, which value is lies in between these two intervals, that value will be acceptable. If both value are lies in the interval, then both value will be acceptable. If one value is lies in that interval, we accept only that value and second value to be rejected. Now if you observe in this statement, when we kept x plus 2 equals to 0, then x is equals to minus of 2. In that case, minus of 2, this minus of 2 is lies in between this interval. So our function can be break into this format. So first interval is minus 5 to minus 2 and second interval is minus 2 to 5. And your function is x plus 2 and function is x plus 2 along with dx along with dx. Now if you observe carefully, modular symbol is removed here. This one function is break into two parts. Now which one is function is behave as a positive function and which one is behave like as a negative function? So let us discuss about that fact. Among minus 5 and minus 2, you can take any value between minus 2 and minus 5. For example, I will take minus 3 between minus 5 and minus 2. Minus 3 plus 2, that is equals to minus 1. It means that this function is behave like as a negative function. Or you can check from minus 2 to 5, you can check any value. For example, if you substitute 0 plus 2, that is positive. If you substitute minus 1 plus 2, that is again positive. If you substitute 1 plus 2, that is 3, again positive. So any value among these value you can substitute into this function. If this function give a positive result, then you can put a symbol of plus. Among this function, if you substitute, this function give you negative symbol, then substitute negative here. After that, now it is a simple question. You can simply integrate and substitute the limit. Integration of x, that is x square by 2. Integration of 2, that is 2x. Limit from minus 5 to minus 2, from minus 5 to minus 2, and this complete result contain a negative symbol. Similarly, plus integration of x square by 2 from limit minus 2 to 5, plus integration of 2x from limit minus 2 to 5. You can substitute the limit here and after that you can find out the result. Now see this one, it is minus outside. When you substitute minus 2 square 4 by 2, minus when you substitute 5, it is 25 by 2, plus it is 2 2s are minus 4, then minus 5 2s are minus 10 plus 10, plus in this part it is 5 square 25 by 2 minus 2 square, it is 4 by 2, plus 2 5s are 10 minus 2 2s are 4 plus 4. Be careful in calculation. This part contains the negative symbol. It is 4 by 2. 4 minus 25 minus 21 by 2. 6 along with negative. plus 25 minus 4 21 by 2 plus 6. Now see this one, it is minus of 12 minus 21 plus 12 upon 2, it is 21 plus 12 upon 2. 21 12, it is minus 9 by 2 minus minus plus, it is 9 by 2 plus 21 plus 12, that is 33 by 2. After LCM you will get 33 plus 9, that is 42 by 2, 21. So your answer is equals to 21. This is the concept of